Hi everyone, welcome to FISC Financial Studies classes. Today we are going to discuss CFA Level 1 curriculum reading number 32 LOS 3. Here we are going to discuss about how mutually exclusive projects, project sequencing and capital rationing impact the evaluation of any project. So these are the factors which impact our incremental cash flow analysis, which makes it more challenging. So first we will discuss what is difference between independent and mutually exclusive projects and how it is going to impact our analysis. So independent projects are those projects which are not going to affect any other project existing in the company, and that's why we can analyze it in an isolated manner, whereas mutually exclusive projects are projects where if you go this way you can't go that way. What I mean by saying this is that this project impacts some other projects existing in the company, so that if you are going here, you are doing this project, you can't work on the other projects, or the other projects profit may get impacted. Just like if you want to do MBA, you have to stop working and therefore you won't get salary for those 2 years. So these are the things. Next topic is project sequencing. In project sequencing, basically it is about an option where you can invest further by to increase the capacity, in which you get the project options in a project where you can invest further if you feel that your project is profitable, and you can stop investing if you feel it is loss making. So if you have two project, one which is giving you higher profit but this doesn't have this option of project sequencing, whereas another project which is giving a little less profit but has this option, you have to analyze both of them in a different way, and it become more challenging because then you have to consider that options value as well in your project. The last point is unlimited funds versus capital ratio. What this mean is, like, unlimited funds, you can clearly understand you have a lot of money, unlimited money, you can invest in as many projects as you want, so you are going to invest in every profitable project. But if you have capital rationing, you have to decide case by case that which are the most profitable projects and how quickly we are going to earn that profit. So these are the things which you have to consider if you have limited budget, and that's why capital rationing is important but also challenging in incremental cash flow analysis. So this is what we have to study in LOS 3. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks a lot.